Hello, this video is to show you how to add a forum to your Moodle page. So I'm starting at my Moodle page, and the first thing we're going to want to do is turn editing on. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom where I've set up a test module. We click add an activity or resource and forum and add. Let's call this test forum. As usual, you can add a description and decide whether to display it on the course page or on the forum page. I'm going to write here, ask any questions in this forum. So next is deciding what kind of forum you want it to be. So there's 5 different types. Depending on what you want, so a single simple discussion would be if you've got an assignment that you want them to complete using a forum. Similarly to each person posts one discussion. The things you'd probably be more likely to want now that we've gone virtual are Q&A forum, standard forum displayed in a blog-like format, or a standard forum for general use. So I'm going to create this as a Q&A forum. So this is so that students can ask questions and other students or I can answer them. So we'll leave that like that. There's plenty of other options to use, but we've covered the important ones. Okay, so let's click save and display. And this is what it looks like from our end, from the tutor end, and we'll see what it looks like as a student. So what students have to do is, before they can see anything, they have to ask a question. So in this Q&A forum, that might seem like a barrier to your learners. So let's look at the other types. So return to being a teacher, and we'll edit it from here. So click on edit settings, and we'll change it to a standard forum displayed in a blog-like format, and we'll click save and display at the bottom. I'll switch my role back to being a student. And this one might be the best option if you're considering more like shy learners who are unlikely to post first. So they'll be able to see anything that other people have posted, and they'll be able to add their own topic. So, and this is what they'll see. So they can type their headline subject, what they want to ask, and any sort of attachments they want to show. So let's say they're struggling with a particular question in an exam. They might want to show what that question is, and they'd click post to forum. So I'm going to cancel this, and that's ultimately how to set up a forum on Moodle. So I would recommend using the blog-like forum, unless you really want to encourage your learners to add their own questions or thoughts, and then I'd use Q&A to make sure that they have to share before they take. Okay.